What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I want to go over the fastest way to make $500 with ClickBank. Now, the reason I want to go over this is because I actually have student results from using this strategy that I'm about to go over on this actual video. If you look over here on my laptop, you can see here that I hit up my student. We had like a coaching call on Sunday, November 3rd. And I just hit him up again today, and I said, hey, how did the campaign work out after our call? And he said basically everything was working perfectly, and then he sent me a picture of his actual results. So you can see here what he's been able to do so far after our coaching call on November 3rd. You can see that following week he was able, I think he was making like $800 before our call, like he was at $800 for the week, and then the next following week he was able to scale that up to $2,300, then $4,000. Then you can see the most recent week $5,000, and it's a brand new week. That's why this amount looks a little low, but he's been able to scale up. And I asked him, what's the ROI? And he said 259%. So I just basically said, I told you, keep scaling hard. He said, trying to get to your level. So props to Desmond. He's definitely doing his thing, definitely getting results that I know a lot of you guys out there want. So what I want to go over in this video right now is to show you guys how he was able to get the results and what strategy did I go over on that actual call. So I'm going to give you something special in this video. I actually have the whiteboard pulled up right here. So what I want to do is just basically go over the outline the strategy. So take notes if you are. Stay tuned to the end of this video if you're trying to make money with ClickBank like Desmond. All right. So what I want to go ahead and do right here is just show you guys a strategy. All right, so first things first, what he did was he had 2 video ads for his niche that spoke exactly to his niche, right? So he set up 2 videos. So just say this is a video, just say this is a video. I'm not the best drawer. This is just me freestyling on my keyboard, so don't judge me for any of these drawings, right? So he had a video here, and what I told him to do is send 5K views to these videos, right? So this video, 5K. Then this video, 5K, that spoke exactly to his niche. So you do have to do some targeting and everything like that so that you can actually make sure you're dialed into your actual niche. And I go over strategies. I got a targeting masterclass on this actual channel if you need help with targeting. So he actually sent 5K views to these 2 videos. And in these videos, there are no links. There were no links to the actual offer or anything like that. This was just building up an audience, because from there, what he did was he built up a custom audience of video viewers, right? And that custom audience consists of 75% views and 95% video views, right? So it's 75 people who watch 75% of your video and people who watch 95% of your video. So out of these 5K people that watch both these videos, you have people that watch 75% and people that watch 95%. So if your video is a minute, 2 minutes long, it's going to be people who watch almost to the end of that actual video. That's why I prefer shorter videos, because those actually work out well, and it's easier to get people to watch the whole thing if they're actually shorter, right? So it's easier to grab your audience from this custom audience. And if you're not sure on how to get custom audiences, all you have to do is go to your ads manager right here, and then you can see under assets you have something called audiences, and from there you can create custom audiences from the actual videos that you actually have on your page. So after these custom audiences was actually ready, what he went ahead and did was he actually built up the lookalike audience, right? So a lookalike audience, you can create that from your actual custom audience. So once you have these custom audience built, you can select the custom audience and you could say create a lookalike from these audiences. And what he did was create the 1%. He created 2%. Oh, that 2's ugly. 2%. And they created a 3% lookalike audience from this actual custom audience. So with this audience right here, what he did was he went ahead and relaunched these videos, right? But this time, instead of just launching the videos without any links, without any call to actions, he went ahead and he added a call to action on the post. And he actually added a call to action, like a link in the actual post, and the actual post itself had a call to action. So what you can do with that is you can actually add a learn more button. That's what I mean by a call to action on the actual post. So Have you ever seen those posts on Facebook, those sponsored posts, and they say like learn more or sign up or book a call, schedule a call, things like that? It's buttons on the actual post that your actual audience can click after they watch the video. So what he did was he created the button post, right? And he still had a link, a call to action link in the actual ad. So in the description of the actual post, he put a call to action link as well. So it's actually 2 ways that they can actually go to the actual offer. All right, so let me break this down because I hope I'm not losing you guys. So with these videos right here, what he did was he sent the 1% to this video, 2% to this video, 3% to this video, but the video just wasn't just the actual video itself no more. It actually had 2 call to actions on the actual post, right? So that's what he did. So these 2 videos now were getting sent to these lookalike audiences, and each lookalike audience is like 2 million or more people. And what he was able to do was actually start sending people to his actual offer link. Now there's also something he did to make this more defined, and that's actually use a bridge page in between his lander and his offer page. So you guys, I went over how to make landing pages and things like that in my free course video, but what I want to show you guys is something special, right? So from here, what he did was, I just want to show you guys how he was able to make this bridge page. So what he did was he created a landing page, and then he also created another page. It's called a bridge page. Now a bridge page is a page that you get taken to after you either opt in or after you click a button on your actual landing page. So once they actually click the button on the landing page, he put a redirect script on this actual page right here. All right, so basically what he did was he had a bridge page here. You could just put something like loading, and even like on ClickFunnels, you can make it really cool because they actually have like an actual like loading bar. So you can do progress bar right here. They say almost complete. Can do themes. You can have it looking like it's actually like loading, right? And then what he did was he actually added some script right here. Boom. Hold on, let me do it again. He actually added a script. So actually after they went to the landing page, what he did was, and what you can do is you can add a redirect script. So right here I got a redirect script, and what you can do is you can add that redirect script to the actual page right here. So you can say, for instance, I'm just gonna say take them to ClickBank.com, but this will be your actual offer link right here, right? So after they land on this page, you would take them to the actual offer link. So you would go right here, you would save that, and then what he did was he put a pixel here. So from everybody that went from the landing page and went to the actual offer, he was able to capture those people on an actual pixel. So what you'll do is you'll just grab your pixel, and if you're not sure, just get pixels, grab your pixel code, put your pixel code on the actual page right here, and then what you can do is you can preview that page, and you'll see. You see it's loading here, and then after that, it redirects them to ClickBank. So the power in this is basically when people were actually clicking on his landing page and going over to the offer, he was pixeling those people. Not only the people that just landed on the lander, but he was pixeling the people that actually went to the actual offer. So that makes it more and more targeted, right? So let me show you guys. So let's do a new board. Right? So what he did was he created another custom audience, but instead of just video viewers getting sent, so basically he built up his pixel to send website visitors, right? And then from there, what he did was he created a custom audience of people that actually went to his landing page, right? And not only just went to the landing page, but people that actually went to the bridge page as well. So those two website visitors audiences that he can make. So from there, he was able to make, the 1% lookalike audience of people that landed on the landing page. But, some people land on your landing page and they leave. So he wanted to also grab the people that landed on his landing page and went to the bridge page. So the people that went to the bridge page, he made a lookalike audience from them, and then got the 1%. And this is everything that we went over in the call. And this is something that I've been using as well. So that's why I wanted to go over this video for all my students and everybody who is actually watch my videos. I wanted to give y'all something special today. So I just want to show you guys this strategy. And this is the fastest way. And why is this the fastest way? This is the fastest way because you're simply grabbing people that are most targeted. This is how you build up your audience very, very fast. So you can grab more than 3%. I'm just showing you guys just, you know, something quick. You know, you can just grab the 1, 2, and 3. And then, you know, once those are working and you see it's working, go ahead and grab your 4%, 5%, 6%, 7%, 8%, all the way up to 10%. Grab all those people, right? And you can make audiences from all these people. So from your landing page and your bridge page, you'll have those exact audiences. And I'm pretty sure this is where things took off for him. So you can see here, he's been able to do, so let me go back to Skype. So basically you can see how things been able to ramp up because he has more audiences to target. From there, you know, he was able to send those same videos with the call to actions that I went over, the different type of call to actions in the post with the learn more button and putting your actual link in the actual post of the video and actually sending these 1% lookalike audiences to these actual videos. So you have all these different audiences that can reach all these different people, right? So you can reach all these different people with all these different audiences. So you have your 1%, your 2%, your 3% going to these videos, and that's how you're able to scale up. Now he said his ROI was 259%. So a lot of you guys are always worrying, well, how much money did he have to spend? So let's see, you know, let me go here. Let me go to my ROI calculator. I trust the ROI calculator, and you can just see, now I'm not sure if his whole ROI for everything, I'm just gonna go with last week because I'm pretty sure that's what he did the numbers on. 5259, 5259, 21. You could say his ROI was 259%. So he invested $1,464.96 to basically get $5,259. So a lot of you guys are always asking, you know, how much money do you have to invest? How much money you have to spend? This is kind of what it looks like. I'm just giving you guys an overview of everything because I just want you guys to kind of see everything, because I want you guys to basically see what it would take to be making 5K a week. Right? So a lot of you guys, you know, you want to make 10K a month. 10K a month is possible, but you do need to have some budget so you can see what you're looking at if you have this type of ROI. But this is a great ROI. Who doesn't want to double their money? This is pretty much doubling your money plus some, you know, all through this actual strategy of having these video views, sending them to an actual audience, right? You know, targeting a very targeted audience with these videos, building up your custom audience, turn that custom audience of video viewers to a lookalike audience, to not only have your video viewers as an audience, turn that lookalike audience of those video viewers into people that actually visit your website, and not just people that land on your landing page, but get it more targeted. Add that bridge page between your landing page so that you can grab 2 types of website visitors to get even more targeted, right? Now this is a very, very, very good technique, and I'm telling you, this is the fastest way to get to $500. Once you have these website visitors, start sending them back to these videos with the actual call to action in the actual post with the learn more button, a link in your actual post, and there's no reason why you can't be crushing it. All right, guys, so this is just a brief strategy I wanted to go over because a lot of you guys, you know, it's 2020 is coming up. This is what you should be focusing on. You should be focusing on getting your creatives made so you can run your actual traffic, you can build up these audiences, and you can start testing. Of course, this is going to take a little time to build up. You know, it takes time to get the 5,000 views on both videos, but not that much. If you have a decent sized budget, you can send 5K viewers in one day. Then you can start building up your website visitors after that, and you know that could take 1 week, 2 weeks. Either way, it doesn't really matter how long it takes. Just do it because this is what it takes to start seeing the big bucks with CPA affiliate marketing, guys. So that's it for this strategy. I just wanted to go over this real quick. If you like this video and want me to make more like it, give this video a like. Also subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.